Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the spoken text and producing a clean audio file. That's the only reliable route. Open your chosen TTS app, paste the exact script you'll use, then pick a natural voice and set speed to match your visuals. Export as MP3 or WAV at 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ so Kinemaster accepts it without resampling. Once done, save the file to your phone's storage, where you can easily locate it from Kinemaster's media browser. Now bring that TTS audio into Kinemaster and lock timing to your visuals. Create a new project with the right aspect ratio, then tap Media Audio and locate your exported file. Add it to the timeline, then scrub through and trim or split to align with scene changes and captions. Use Zoom and the Timeline Snap feature for frame-accurate placement. If lines feel rushed, slow the audio in small increments. If gaps appear, nudge the clip by a few frames until it matches. Finish by balancing and exporting. Open the audio layer's volume envelope to create natural pauses and fades, and add subtle EQ or compression so the TTS sits with your music and effects. Make small crossfades when switching lines, and preview on headphones to confirm clarity. When satisfied, export at your desired resolution and a high audio bitrate. If audio disappears or sounds wrong, re-import the original MP3/WAV and check project sample rate. Re-adding the file usually fixes misplaced encoding mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.